Introducing the solar-powered security camera trailer from Metal Solutions USA. An optimized and modern solution for mobile security surveillance. The 4-stage manual telescopic mast extends up to 20 feet, offering stable camera elevation without external power, perfect for remote areas. The adjustable solar rack with lift kit integrates a smart actuator system, optimizing energy capture from high-efficiency 400W solar panels, ensuring continuous power. The cabinet enclosure, constructed from high-quality carbon steel and finished with weather-resistant powder coating, securely houses and protects the entire energy storage system, including the 48V100AA4 lithium battery, 5000W 48V solar charger inverter, 60A MPPT charge controller, and the complete AC/DC breaker and outlet system. The system is mounted on a heavy-duty, single-axle carbon steel trailer with spring suspension, providing flexible mobility and superior stability, ideal for construction sites, stadiums, and farms. Because we manufacture directly at our US factory, we can fully customize powder coating colors, battery configurations, and system modules to meet your exact needs. With our solar-powered security camera trailer, you can deploy a surveillance solution instantly, anywhere, anytime, while ensuring the surveillance system operates effectively. Setting up security shouldn't slow you down. That's why this is a turnkey solution. We install your cameras, set up your IP horn speakers, and get your monitoring up and running. You get a fully operational system, ready to deploy. And we're just getting started, introducing our premium upgrade. More solar power, more energy storage, built-in generator backup, motorized mast control, bigger system capacity, more power, more control, more uptime. Stay tuned. Contact us today for exclusive dealer pricing and be part of the future of mobile security.